Hey guys, today is Crazy Hat Day, so I have my hat on. If you'd like to wear a hat while you're doing this lesson, you can go ahead and go grab one. Just pause the video. Okay, so we are going to work on our foundations lesson. And before we get started with all of our tapping, we're going to practice some of our sounds. I'm going to say first, then you are going to repeat. I'm going to use my mouse to show us where we are. A, apple, ah. Go ahead, your turn. Good job. C, cat, k. Your turn. Good job. How about L, lamp, O? Your turn. Good job. How about R, rat, Your turn. Good job. How about this one? V, van, v. And it's very important. I tuck my lip and my teeth go on my lip. V. One more time. V, van, v. Your turn. Good job. I love how you used your bottom lip tucked and your teeth on top. Good job. Now let's look at some digraphs. We have digraphs are two letters that make one sound. So our first one is CH, chin, ch. Your turn. Good job. Next one is TH, thumb. And it's very important. Use your tongue in between your teeth. Look. Good job. TH, thumb. Your turn. Awesome work. So we did some practicing with our sounds. So today what we're going to talk about are blends. OMG. What are blends? Blends are two consonants. These yellow cards are consonants, two consonants that are side by side. Our vowels are the pink cards. Okay. So let's look at this first word here. How would I tap that? I would tap sh, I, p, ship, ship. Oh, like a ship on the water, ship. Let's try this next word. How would I tap that? S, l, I, p, slip. Like I had a slip and I fell, slip. What do I notice about these two words? I notice that they both have the letter S. I notice that they both have the letter I. And they both have the letter P. So those are what they have the same. But I see some differences too. SH is a digraph, two letters that make one sound. And this word slip has a blend. It has one consonant, two consonants that are side by side. So this word has a digraph, this word has a blend. Wow, good job. Now blends can happen before a vowel or after a vowel. Let's take a peek. Here's our first word. I'm going to tap it. B-r-ag. Brag, like someone who brags likes to show off, brag. Here's our vowel, our pink cards. And look, there are two yellow cards side by side. That's our blend. We have a blend at the beginning of the word. Let's look at this next word here. I would tap s-e-n-t, sent, like I sent a letter to my mom, right, in the mail. I sent a letter. Here's my vowel, our pink cards. Look, here are two yellow cards side by side, two consonants side by side. That is a blend. So this word has a blend after the vowel. Here's my vowel, and it's after. Okay, so we can have one before the word and one after the word. And sometimes we can even have words that have both. What? In the beginning and the end, they can have a blend to start and to finish. We have s, l, a, m, p, slump. Wow, good job. Here's my vowel. I have my two consonants side by side in the beginning and my two consonants side by side at the end. Wow, that is pretty neat. So we're going to focus on underlining the digraph. See, these are our digraphs, WH, CH, SH, TH, and CK. We are going to practice underlining them together, okay? The rest we'll learn how to do, but right now we're focusing on the first one. So let's look at this word. Mark up the digraphs. Before, blends and digraphs. Before we even tap this word, I'm going to look at my vowel. And I notice that there are two yellow cards side by side. I'm going to mark that up. That's a blend. That is a blend. All right, so now I'm going to tap this word. Slip. Didn't we do this word already? Let's look at the next word. Here's my vowel. And I see two yellow cards side by side, two consonants side by side. That's a blend. I'm going to mark that up. Okay, I'm going to underline them. I underline each letter. So let me tap this. Mask, like a mask that you wear on your face. Hey, I noticed this word has a blend in the beginning, and this word has a blend at the end. Wow, I'm making lots of observations, lots of noticings. Let's look at this word here. I see my vowel in the middle, and I see two yellow cards side by side. That's a blend. So I'm going to underline them. And then I notice there's a digraph at the end. So I'm going to underline that too. All right, now I can tap. Slush. Like when it's winter and it's cold outside, sometimes we can get slush on the ground. Wow, good job, guys. Now let's look at our next example. Sometimes we can even have a digraph and a blend side by side. OMG! We have our vowel, and we have a consonant and a blend. So this is a consonant. This is a digraph blend. And then we have a digraph and a consonant right next to it. So this is another digraph blend. Isn't that awesome? So I'm going to tap this. Lunch. Making me hungry. Shred, like shredding paper or shredded mozzarella cheese. Yummy. Okay, let's practice reading. Let's see if we can read this first word. I'm going to tap, but I'm not going to say the sounds. I want you to try saying the sounds. Ready? Good job. Let's try it together. Spit. Good job. Like we don't spit, right? We don't want to spit on the floor or spit on our friends. Let's try the next one. And I'm not going to say it yet. I'm going to let you try. Let's try tapping it together. Good job. Let's tap it now. Blend. Oh, good job. I'm loving it. You're doing a lot of awesome hard work. Good job. Let's try this next one. QU is our buddy letter, okay? Q and U always stick together. They don't like to go anywhere by themselves. So it's not a digraph, but they are a buddy letter. So we have Qu. Oh, whoops. Mrs. Weston gave that one away. How about we try that one by yourselves? You're going to try it. Okay, now we're going to try it together. Qu. Quilt. And a quilt is like a blanket that you put on to keep yourself nice and warm. So good job, boys and girls. You did an awesome job. Give yourself a pat on the back. What you're going to do next with an adult is in our classroom, if this is our stream, we go to classwork. We're going to go down to foundation practice. So if you look, you're going to start with let's read. And so there are directions on here so that way our adults can know how we can practice this together. So there's some directions down underneath for adults. But you're just going to tap these words, okay? And then when we get all the way down, to words like this, right? We will practice spelling, and you can use your dry erase board. And then a parent can move the peek screen over so that way we can move it over and you can see if you spelled it correctly. Okay, so good luck, boys and girls, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.